Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. I always tell people, something going on with your car, don't worry. It'll get worse. Queen Bee is smoking like a banshee now. Look at all that smoke coming out of there. I had to figure out what's going on with that. Okay, on Queen Bee, the trunk lifts are slamming down and busting my tail light. Last time it slammed down when I had my back turned, it broke the light bulb. So now I got brake light not working. So I'm gonna put these in real quick and be done with that. Then I'm gonna leave the car here at the exhaust shop, let them redo what they did a few months ago on the exhaust. Charge me another $100. As the bear getting that hooked on that bar behind this thing. Finally got it hooked. Swedish car parts thing has a smaller hole. So the bushing that goes in the hinge doesn't fit. So this is the original, has a vinyl bushing that goes on the post, and then that slides on that, and then the clip goes on it. But on the Swedish car parts one, that hole isn't big enough for the bushing. So there you have it. You can't put the bushing on if you use the Swedish car parts lifts for the 850. I don't know if they did that on purpose or by accident. And it's near impossible to reach your hand up in that hole and snap that in place. So I use this piece of copper wire, hooked it up there, then grabbed it like this with it in place, leaned my weight on it, popped it on. So gotta find something to hook up there and use your weight to snap it in place. I got a text message said I had a FedEx package down at my local Walgreens. Went down to Walgreens and this box was down there just like this, nothing else. My brand new computer. So I get to open this one this time. So it's got some funny cardboard boxing. But anyway, here's my new computer. It's called the Omen. That's the charger, and this is the laptop. Appreciate everybody that helped me get this thing. Let's use the quick start guide and get it started, because today I couldn't make my daily video on my computer. It just would not do anything for me for over an hour trying to make a video. Here's the papers with my HP worldwide limited warranty and tech support. Man, there ain't no way I ever be able to read that. I had to take a picture with this phone and blow it up. I can't read any characters on this sheet that's not in bold. I am no longer 15 years old. I mean, they don't think people my age buy computers. What the crap? And here it is, folks. New computer. NVIDIA RTX graphic card. 9th generation i7 core. You can turn the touchpad off and on with a function F11. It's called the Omen. HP's gaming class computer. So I'm going to plug it into the wall, let it charge up, and likely fire this thing up tomorrow. So, it's supposed to have nice sound. Got like a carbon fiber finish on here. Looks like this got a little chip in the corner of it. As long as everything works, I'm not going to worry about little blemishes. I did pretty good with keeping my other one in good shape. I don't see anything on here that'll rest on the display. like on this one. It's got these two rubber things on here, and they leave a little mark on the display. This one doesn't seem to have that. Doesn't seem to have anything to latch it closed either. So power cord goes in the side. I'm gonna plug that up and let it charge up overnight. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.